Hi guys, Cheche here again. Welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to cook fried rice here using the pot belly. So this is just the second time that we will be using the pot belly. So now let's talk about our ingredients for this fried rice. It's just simple fried rice for me. So I'll just cook a little bit of rice. We have the egg, Cheerios, chives, garlic, onion, the extra virgin olive oil, we have the pepper, salt, and I will put a tiny bit of soy sauce. Now I'm going to start cooking. So first I'm going to put the olive oil. Ta-da! Tiny bit of olive oil. So while waiting for the olive oil to get hot, just trying to tell you about this table here. The previous owner bought this table in the 1970s at a garage sale. So it's been around for 50 years, but he just leave it for us to use. So it's a very old but sturdy table. So that's the history of this table. Put the garlic in. Oh, it's hot. Then there's your onion. Come on, Cheerios. Now I'm putting the rice in. And the egg. Pepper, put the pepper. Tiny bit of salt. And a tiny bit of soy sauce because I just put the salt in just for color. Then I have to stir. And last, I'm going to put the chives. Now it looks like our fried rice is ready to eat. My fried rice.
You're asking me?
Yes.
Oh, I'm eating it. That's very good.
Pretty good?
Yeah. Not fried enough, but anyway. It's
What?
it's not enough frying, so. But it's very good for the picture. It's very nice. It's good.
You're lying.
No, it's good. It's like
Your
rice.
rice is great.
Tastes like rice. That's like in the frying pan. I mean, I don't know.
Okay.
What do you want me to say? This is the best rice I've ever tasted. It's very good.
Very good for belly pot.
Belly pot belly stove cooking
Very good for your belly.
in the bush, and yeah, not too much carbs.
Okay.
Very good. So you're gonna photograph yourself shoveling food into your face.
I'm still in video.
Have a look at the bad cow chaser. You should put the cow in. This morning she was naughty and chased a cow. Well, they all did.
No,
Because someone didn't shut the gate.
you didn't shut the gate. Hey, you didn't close the gate. It's yum. I'm loving this bush cooking.
See ya.
Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next vlog.